Good day, everyone. This is David with Project Profit, and we got another episode here for you guys. Today, we are going over another monster company and what's in it for us. This, of course, is AMZN, also known as Amazon. And this is going to be a very, very good stock to go over, and I'm going to show you guys why. So, Amazon, as everybody knows, has a delivery business that made headlines. It made the world go round during COVID, and they really, I'd say, out of all the companies that profited from COVID, Amazon had to be of the top tier. It took their name, it took their services, it took their growth to a whole nother level, and had Walmart even on their feet, on their toes, backpedaling, trying to figure out what to do with them, because they just took the world by storm. They took the U.S. by storm. And since then, we've seen a little bit of a slide from Amazon, a little bit of a down and up. And you can kind of see here, this is a very far out chart. This is 3 years, and each bar represents a week. And if we look out from November of 2021, we can see that they were sitting somewhere around this 175 mark. High 179, all the way down. Let's see, what did they go down to? Somewhere around $83, which is not good. So they had a huge loss in their stock from November of 21 down to January of 23. And since then, they've been on their way back. They've been gaining pretty steadily. If you invested down here somewhere, you're very good on Amazon right now. But they're passing another milestone, which is going to be very important for us. They have recently broke above this 188 mark here, and as we can see, now that they're above the previous high from November 2021, they're going on another bit of a run here. Now that they've broken this ceiling, they've gone all the way up to $200 a share. This means, for one thing, that they've broken the resistance line, and now they're going to be on a march upward. We're only about 10 weeks ago that they crossed the moving average, the 50 and the 200-week moving average, which is a huge line. And there's another important thing here. They are only just now getting back to their post-COVID stock level. They have not been factored in for the technological advances of artificial intelligence and the efficiencies that are coming to the economy, and they are well primed and positioned to take advantage of this. Amazon is not just a delivery company. They are Amazon Web Services, which cloud is just getting bigger and bigger. This has been an ongoing trend. They took over wholesale foods, and even the previous CEO, John Mackey of Whole Foods, who Whole Foods used to be known as Whole Paycheck, by the way. Their business model was pretty broken. The company was not doing nearly as well as it could do, and Mackey highly considers Amazon to be one of the best things that ever happened to it, because they've taken it, they brought efficiency to it, and they turned it in. They used the name of Whole Foods, which is a great name, and brought the price down. They brought the availability up, and they brought it to a lot of markets that needed it. So everything they're touching, Amazon, AWS, Whole Foods, Amazon Prime, their tech, their in-home artificial intelligence is already booming. They're looking at a next generation Alexa. This is just huge. Everything they touch is turning to gold, and there's a reason for it. They're a very well-run company. They have, maybe not at the lower levels. If anybody's had any personal dealings with them, working with them, they'll tell you that they're not the best. But on a macro level, they pick up on things very well, and they seem to throw money at what works. So I don't see them as, in a bad position to lose here from this AI trend. And the fact that we are just now getting back to their post-COVID level doesn't even factor in artificial intelligence at all, really. They're just now getting back to that previous price. Imagine what they're going to be like a year from now, when they have all of this spidered in throughout their network. It's going to be incredible. And might I mention, this is one of the companies that I was talking about having the data. Who's going to train AI? you got to have the answers first. You got to have the data. You can't have efficiency models. You can't have logic. You can't have any of it without the data. And Amazon has more data on more things than most companies could hope for. Most companies are going to have to pay money, big money, just to get high quality data like Amazon to train their AI to make efficiency models to benefit their companies. People like Google, Amazon, Meta, Walmart, these companies today, they're the companies that are going to create AI models or use AI from other companies, and it's going to be deadly accurate, which is amazing. So here's what I would suggest doing. And again, I am not a financial advisor. This is my own personal opinion. Look for any pullback in Amazon. If there's even a pullback this week, which we started off a little low this week, it could easily reverse. But if you see any kind of pullback, even a week or two, I would definitely look into getting something with Amazon. Just a little bit. They're taking a huge dive the last year and fully recovered, plus a little bit more. And now that they're through, it looks like this level is going to hold, because it was up and down on this level, this 180-ish level. But now that they're through it all the way up to 200, there is not much sign of it coming back down. Especially with this moving average that they just crossed, they're in full growth mode. And if the market, the market being the Achilles heel, as long as everybody still is buying Amazon, there's nothing going down on this stock. And even when the economy seems to go down, it seems to make people even more conscious as they turn away from the brick and mortar stores and start doing Amazon shopping. So to me, there's a lot of Amazon still out there. There's a lot of growth still out there. And Amazon is going to be one of those stocks that's well positioned. So look into Amazon. This is our test account here. I'm going to go ahead and buy about 10 shares. No, well, maybe we'll do 5. We'll do $1,000. We're going to put $1,000 in Amazon on this test account just because I want to see a few weeks from now, a month or two from now, what this looks like. Even a year from now. We'll make this a long-term study, but I really think that Amazon is in a position where they can beat the market. All right, that's all I got for everybody today. I'm going to keep this short and keep these episodes short and keep them coming. So if anybody has any suggestions, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Helps the channel out tremendously, especially when I'm pushing it out to other viewers like you. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.